Hey guys, it is Keisha here on Keisha Knows Nothing or a little bit of something. And today's video is all about the best organizational items at Dollar Tree. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber, and also make sure you thumbs up the video. I would appreciate it so much. So let's not waste time, you guys. Let's get into it. So, of course, let's start with the obvious, which is storage bins at Dollar Tree. They always have such a big variety, and it seems like at least 2 or 3 times a year they are bringing out new storage bins. You can get storage bins with handles, you can get storage bins without handles, different designs, different patterns, color coordinate them if you would like. Right now, they really have a lot of spring colored or spring theme colored bins at Dollar Tree. And now that they've added the plus section, they have a bigger variety of bins at Dollar Tree. They have some that are $3, some that are $5. They have the collapsible bins as well. These are great to go in your closet. You can just fill them with items and put them in your closet. They're great for kids' toys as well. Just find colors that work for you and use them. They also have the hanging organizers, which are great for shoes, but you can also put other items in there as well. It does not have to be shoes. You could put crafting supplies in there. You could put hair supplies in there. Whatever works best for you, whatever area you are trying to clean up and tidy up. And under bed storage. Under bed storage is awesome, especially if you have a small space and you have a small closet. You may want to utilize as much space as you can. So getting under bed storage is great and awesome. And Dollar Tree has different sizes there. Of course, you can get the ones that are $1.25, but they also have some other ones that are in the plus section that are a little bit more. They're about $5. And these are awesome to have, like I said, to utilize as much space as you can. And if you go to the crafting section, you could find this $3 adjustable case. And this is great for small items that you might have that you want to put away, especially for crafting. I think that's pretty much what it's made for, but you don't have to use it for that. If you have a lot of hair accessories, bobby pins, things like that, you can put those in these adjustable cases, and they're clear so you can see what's in the case. I thought that's a neat idea, and it's only $3. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes it could be a struggle trying to remember where you've placed important documents. If you have some important documents that you have just kind of laying around still in their envelopes and stuff like that, you may want to gather them together and get some sort of a file system. Dollar Tree has these 3-pocket folders, file folders, which are great. I have a few of them right now, and I put all my important documents in them. It's great just to be organized, have those things together, birth certificates, marriage certificates, stuff like that, because you just never know when you're going to need them. Especially if you have children, because they're always needing to have their birth certificates if they're going to do any type of sports activity before they join a team, or just for school stuff, enrollment and things like that. It's good to have these items in a place where you can easily find them. This takes me back to my childhood. My mother used to put a lot of our certificates that we got for different things when we were kids. She used to put them in these plastic sleeves and put them in 3-ring binders. So that's a great idea if you want to kind of hold on to any of your kids' achievements, certificates and things like that. It's great to go and buy a 3-ring binder for the cheap at Dollar Tree to hold a lot of those memories. They have these wire bins that are great pen holders, pen and pencil holders. They also have these pen and pencil holders that are kind of a funky pink color, and they have buffalo check. And I thought it was really neat that they had business card holders in buffalo check. So you can get the whole set there to organize your office space if you need to. Dollar Tree is really, really good about these types of items. And this isn't really a big organization thing, but I do want to mention the push pins. I thought they were really, really cute and neat. They had some that were pearl looking. They also had some that were gold. And then they had these multicolor, almost like little jewel colored push pins. Any important documentation that you have that you don't want to forget about, you can just take it and pin it to your cork board. So I thought that these were a great way to add personality and organization to your office space. the small candy holders, a 2-pack of small candy holders. You can usually find this in the party supplies area. If you need to sort and organize things like hair bows and hair ties, barrettes, things like that, this is great for that. Just a way for you to see what's there, and it also is kind of cute and fun, but it's a good way to see what you have, and it's very affordable. Like I said, 2 for $1.25. That's pretty good. I have several of the Essential brand products in my home, and they're really good quality for the price. So definitely stop by the Dollar Tree and check out the Essentials brand if you see it. They've kind of updated the packaging or the look of the label, so that's really nice. I'm glad that they're doing that. But they really have some nice stuff when it comes to storage bins and boxes. A few storage bins I would like to mention, I know I've mentioned them a couple times on this channel, are the gold wired bins. They are very nice. They add a nice little classy type of touch to them. I have a few in our closet area. They're just really nice. They just kind of add personality and flair and classiness, like I said, to organization. So if you're considering buying any of these, definitely go to Dollar Tree. Definitely try them out. They have a couple of different sizes and shapes that are great for organization. I also found on an end cap, you guys, Dollar Tree be having this random stuff on end caps sometimes, but you gotta look because there be some really cool things there. But I found from the Essentials brand this 4-grip rotating hook, and this is more for like bags and stuff. So I don't really have a set place to put my purses. I don't have a whole lot of purses, but I do have a few, and I just thought, you know what, this is a great idea because I need to put my purses somewhere where I can easily find them and see them, because once it goes into the abyss of my closet, I forget about it. So I thought this was a great idea. It's just these hooks right here, and then one hook goes onto your closet shelf or the rod for your hangers. So yeah, there comes with 2, which I thought was really nice. I'll probably only need 1, but I'll probably keep the other one for maybe scarves or something. And lastly is one that you probably wouldn't think about, but the pill organizers are great. Of course, you can use them for pills, but I was thinking more along the lines of small little knickknacks or even small jewelry. I think this would be great for that if you have a lot of stud earrings and you want to put them together and you want them easy to find. I know for me, I tend to just kind of throw everything in the jewelry box. If you have stud earrings or small dangle earrings, having this pill organizer would be a great way to keep things together, especially if you are traveling. Those are what, in my opinion, are the best Dollar Tree organizational items, you guys. Spring is here, so make sure you get organized as you go into the rest of your year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up the channel, and I would appreciate it, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.